Hey guys, it's Coach Lew here. Christmas and the holidays have just passed us by, and we're going into 2020, a fresh decade, a brand new year, and a year that gets us seeing 2020. What a cool analogy is that? Join me live on New Year's Day as we journey into your dreams, your beliefs, and learn how to make them happen with our groundbreaking, and yes, I say groundbreaking and breakthrough half-day workshop on goal setting. Yes, you can truly have everything you want to have. You just need to learn how to design it, map it, set the psychology, tune your body and your mind and your soul together to work together to make it happen. This is going to be a groundbreaking event, guys. I invite you to tune in. It is going to be January 1st, 2020, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're not in our time zone, you can do some calculations there to see what time that will be. Visit xlr8life.com. That's exhilaratelife.com. That's the letter XLR, the number 8, LIFE.com. This is our brand new coaching platform, and we're launching it with this live event on January 1st. Go there now. You can get signed up for it, and there's some special bonuses you're going to have, like all month of January access to the encore replay, etc. It's going to be awesome, guys. Let's step into 2020, living the dreams and the life that we so desire, and step up and do it for real this time. Join me on this breakthrough journey, guys. I will see you on January 1.